This next one has your press cramp in it, but after you do your press cramp, you are going to do a crawl. So you'll do shuffle, step, heel, press, cramp, toe, heel, press, cramp, toe, heel, with that toe, heel being the crawl. This next rudiment continues with that push cramp theme. So we're going to be using that little thing again, that toe, heel. So you're starting with the right foot, you're doing a shuffle, step, heel. You're going to do a push cramp, then you're going to do a crawl. You're going to do another push cramp and a crawl. Then it starts on the left side. Shuffle, step, heel. Push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. So let's walk through this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, heel, push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, heel, push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8 and shuffle, step, heel, push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, heel, push cramp, crawl, push cramp, crawl. Okay, let's take a little break here. Make sure you're breathing while you do this. People have a tendency to, they focus so much on what their feet are doing, sometimes they forget to breathe. So don't hold your breath while you're doing this. Make sure you're breathing. Try to relax as much as possible. So much of tap dance is about relaxing. So don't get stressed out about this. Keep it kind of nice and loose and relaxed. Let's walk through it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, crawl, push, cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, crawl, push, cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, crawl, push, cramp, crawl. Shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, crawl, push, cramp, crawl. 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, push,